Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Tempest here and welcome back to another short video. And for today's video is we're gonna be trying all the new working codes from BlueCloud and see if they are working. So yeah, let's go start now. Click the settings. Now to the redeem code. We're gonna start with the first is chicken zombie B25. Yep, it's not working. For the next one is 1 billion visits and it's not working too. For the next one is update 4. It's not working. Next one is Blood Moon 10. It's not working too. For the next one is Tornado 50. Yep, it's not working too. And for the next one, chicken jockey with the triple Y at the end. It's not working. And for the next one is 20 summer 25. And it's not working too. The next one is Free Seeds 1. It's not working too. Now for the last one is the Free Candy Blossom. Hope this one works, but it's not working. Yep. So guys, the only code working right now is the Lunar Glow 10. I don't know if it's still working or not because the game updated, right? Just comment down below if it's working for you guys. The